Google Camera is the only application that, as of now, takes the full advantage of camera sensors, and all thanks to the impressive image processing algorithm. At first, the camera application was limited to the Google Pixel devices. Well, that's not the case now. Various developers from all around the world have now started importing the Gcam app to various budget devices. This brings powerful camera capabilities to the likes of budget and mid-range smartphones. In addition, you will also get the taste of various modes such as night and astrophotography. Well, if you've been searching for a compatible Gcam application for your device, then you have ended up in the right realm. In this how-to, we're going to show you how to install Google Camera 7.0 Gcam on any Android smartphone. How to install Google Camera 7.0 Gcam on any Android device. Before we jump right into the tutorial, here are a few things that you need to do and keep in mind. Things to keep in mind. The latest Google Camera 7.0 or Gcam works only on the devices that support Camera 2 API. To check, install Camera 2 API Probe, download on your device, and launch it. If the app shows limited full or level 3, then you can proceed further. Sadly, the app runs only on the latest version of Android, that includes Android 9 Pie and Android 10Q. Just like any other Gcam mod application, there is a high chance that some features will work on certain devices. We recommend you play around with the settings to find the optimal solution. This Google Camera 7.0 or Gcam is the pre-production build, meaning various features are experimental, and the official release can be different. Download links. With that cleared out of the way, here are the download links for the Gcam 7.0 depending on the device maker. Poco F1, download by San1 Tai. Redmi K20 K20 Pro, OnePlus devices, download by Parrot043. Redmi Note 5 Pro 6 Pro 7 7S 7 Pro, Mi A3 A2, Zenfone Max Pro M1 M2, download by Parrot043. Realme devices, download by BSG. Note, if your device is not listed above, then you can still try out the above mentioned apps. If it works, you can let us know in the comment section below. Guide to install Google Camera 7.0 or Gcam on Android devices. Well, enough talk, let's talk about the real deal for which you are here. Install the downloaded Gcam app on your smartphone. If this is the first time you are installing from an unknown source, then you might come across the permission error. Tap on Settings and then allow the app installation from the third-party source. Now, you will be able to install the app file on your smartphone. Once the app is installed, you should be able to use the latest version of Google Camera with the all-new improved user interface and camera capabilities. Bonus tip: fix astrophotography mode. Google Camera 7.0 brings the astrophotography mode, which, as the name suggests, allows you to click noise-free images of the sky. Well, this feature might not work on various devices out of the box. Thankfully, we got you covered. Here is the quick fix that you can do to fire up the astrophotography mode easily. Swipe down the viewfinder and then tap on the settings gear icon. Scroll down until you find the About button, and then tap on it. Now, look for the advanced settings and then search for Cuddle. Disable the flags as shown in the picture below. With that done, go back to the main camera interface. Switch to night sight mode. You should now get a pop-up asking to enable astrophotography mode. Note, to enable the astrophotography mode, there are two things that you need. Firstly, your hand should be stable, and if it is not, then you should use a tripod stand. Lastly, the environment should be dark.